Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and we've got another unboxing that, if I'm not mistaken, this is some new Halloween goodies. Just like the last unboxing that I did, I'm gonna have a couple more because I have kind of gone a little bit crazy. Now, this is not something where I'm on their design team or anything like this. This package is from Picket Studios, and I did that hop with Amanda and Picket Studios, Pear Blossom Press and Picket Studios, I don't know what, about a week ago, and I had so much fun. I just went shopping on their website to see what other fun things I could find. So let's take a look. If I remember right, because I've been kind of shopping a little bit, if I'm not mistaken, this is some new collection stuff, so you may not have seen it yet. So okay, so we've got, this is kind of cool. Oh, I got a thank you gift. That's nice. So I got a kit. I was thinking that's what I ordered, but of course, you know, between the time you order and the time it comes in, you sometimes forget, right? So this is the free gift that I got, and look at that. That is just an adorable stamp. Love that. Let me do a little adjusting on the camera because it is a little bit dark. Okay, that's a little bit better. So we've got some little witches and kitty, witch hands, pumpkins, little skulls. That is going to be precious. So I think this is probably, what, 4 1/4 by 4 1/4? Nope, it's 4 by 4. Okay, and then I've got here a kit. So let's dive into that. So the kit that I have here is Spooky Flight. It's an exclusive, and this page here that's included shows some example cards, and then this shows all the fun things in there, and then yeah, I got me a bunch of goodies. Okay, I'm gonna put this part off to the side, and then I will go through this piece, these stamps first, stamps and stencils it looks like, and we're gonna take a look at that. So we've got a Spooky Night 6x6 stamp pad. So is that this one? Okay, yeah. This one is called All Trespassers Will Be Added to the Brew. And we've got a jack-o'-lantern character, kind of like Jack Skellington, except I think those fingers are a little bit more creepy. You can see a picture of it there. And then we've got somebody holding a sign up out of their grave. That's going to be real fun. And the stamps say perfectly wicked together. Hello. Broom hair don't care. Hey boo. I've had a couple of stamp sets right now that have a hey boo. Happy Halloween. All trespassers will be added to the brew. Happy Halloween, boo y'all, and trick or treat witches. Think that's fun, and the die set to go along with all of those. Then look at these butterflies. I have never seen spooky butterflies like this before, so these are really, really cool. I am really looking forward to playing with those, and it has a few sentiments added as well. If I remember right from when she was doing her video release on this one, so you'll want to check out Picket Studios YouTube channel, but if I remember right, they didn't have enough room to add a lot of sentiments because of how big these butterflies are. So we've got Halloween, fun, night, and spooky, and then the dice to go with. And then, okay, yeah, we have to have a witch, right? So we have this real creepy looking witch, and all the sentiments. Life is always more fun being the wicked witch than the helpless princess. Some days you have to put on the hat to remind them who they are dealing with. Happy October 31st. Just a wee bit wicked. Happy Halloween. Witches don't wait for karma. Let's ride. It is Halloween season. I'm afraid the good witch is on vacation. If the hat fits, be sure to buy many shoes and brooms to match. A Halloween hello and a witch's hat so stiff and high, watch it fly by. So that's what we've got there. And then we've got the dies to go with it. I love it when they come with the dies. That is fabulous. Then we've got this fun stencil. This one is called Slimline Carnival Time Stencil. So this did actually make a really kind of cool pattern, so I'm looking forward to playing with that as well. Okay, lots of stamps mean I got some packaging up to do. Then I've got a few more things in here. Let's see, this looks like it's probably cardstock. So yes, we have some cardstock. So we have some gray, a lovely, lovely purple, and the color does not quite look right. I have to try to adjust this. This one is like a deep royal purple. Let's see if I can fix the color a little bit. That's a little bit better. Okay, I think that's close, but here we go. Anyway, we've got that royal purple, and we've got a lime green, and the green does not look right. Okay. So I hit the automatic. We're going to see if that works. But anyway, now we've got a medium purple. We've got some red. We've got some Halloween orange. We have some black. And, ooh, we have some Yupo paper. So that is cool too. I remember her saying that there was Yupo paper in there. Now, what else is in this bag? The reason for the Yupo paper is the kit also comes with 2 alcohol inks. We've got... This one is called, and I don't know if I've actually already got it in my stash. This one is lettuce, and this one is meadow. So we've got a light and a dark green. Then there's more. Oh, I have a pipette to go along with the alcohol inks. To go along with the stencil, we've got some paper glaze. This one is Spooky Flight Paper Glaze Enhancer. That's what it says. And then this one is Paper Glitz. And look at that fun orangey color. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, and this is my first time trying out those kind of things from Picket Studio. I didn't have any of those before. And we've also got a shaker mix. Now, what I haven't shown you guys before, but with the other things that I just got recently, I've also got some other shaker mitts. So I really need to do some shakers. But look at that with all the fun little witches. Yes, witches hats in there. Black sequins, white sequins. I think that's an eyeball. No, spider webs. So anyway, these are going to be real fun to put in shaker. And then they also sent me a new palette knife to go along with the with the pastes. So anyway, and it all came in a reusable mesh bag. This is one of those mesh and plastic, so you can store your projects and stuff in there. I've got quite a few of those. So anyway, I need to get busy on some Halloween crafting, so I'm gonna wrap this one up, and I will be back soon with another Halloween video for my Halloween 2023 series. I'm so excited. I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.